to Storytime. I'm the Children's Librarian at the Grandview and Adams Square branch libraries. For Storytime today, we're going to read books about animals, and in the books, the words rhyme. So, that means the words match, they have the same sound. Before we get started with reading, let's get out our hands for our hello song. Can you join in with me? And let's clap and sing hello. Ready? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and sing hello. Yay! Now let's pat our heads and sing hello. Ready? We pat our heads and sing hello. We pat our heads and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we pat our heads and sing hello. Yay! Now let's wave. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and sing hello. Yay! Thanks for joining in with me. Our first book is I Am Bear by Ben Bailey Smith and Sav Akyuz. I am bear. Do you see the little blue bear hiding? Or is it a blue bunny? I am bear. I am bear. Here's a bear. And I am bear. Uh-oh, he's showing his butt. The squirrel is looking at him. He has all of the acorns here. The suit I wear has purple hair. So wear and hair rhyme. In my tummy is mostly honey. Yum! Bears love honey. And look at these bees. Look at all the bees. They're going buzz, 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 buzz. Here's a thingy I find funny. Knock, knock. Who's there? Munch, munch, my lunch. Munch and lunch rhyme. I do magic, most bears won't. Look at all these fish. He caught all of these fish. Now you see me. Now you don't. Where did he go? Look behind you. Is anyone there? Boo! Oh! Do you like games? Yeah, I do too. Cops and robbers, that's my favorite. Donuts missing. Guess who ate it? Bear ate it. Fun with friends, that's the main thing. Favorite hobby? What's the favorite hobby? Probably painting. Oh, painted a target on Bear. I am bear and I was there. What rhymes there? Bear and there. Now I'm gone. Oh, it's running away. So long. Bye. That was I Am Bear by Ben Bailey Smith and Sav Akyuz. Alright, friends. Next, can we sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes? Let's shake out our hands. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Knees and toes, 2 eyes and ears, a mouth and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! Are you ready for the next animal story? All right, let's read Splish, Splash Ducky by Lucy Cousins. Look at the little ducky. and the flowers. Hello, I am Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Can you say quack, quack, quack with me? Oh, goody, hooray! It's raining today. I'm going to find my friend and play. Quack, quack, quack. Look at all these big flowers. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. Frog, ducky. I like to squirm with wiggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for bug and a hug for slug. What rhymes there? Hug, bug, slug. Quack, quack, quack. Ducky's giving them a hug. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. How many birds do we see? Or ducks, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. How many fish can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 3 little fish right here. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. How many birds do we see here? Birds and ducks. 1, 2, 3. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Ducky and frog. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. Mouse, ducky. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops, no more quacking, and I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go see my dad. What rhymes there? Sad dad. Ooh, look at these pretty butterflies. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. And Dad says, cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. Sun and fun rhyme. Quack, quack, quack. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. I guess that's all they were going to do. What rhymes with back? Can you think of anything? Sack? Rack? But that doesn't work for Ducky. The end. That was Splish Splash Ducky by Lucy Cousins. All right, friends. Now it is time to sing songs with scarves. At home, follow along with a washcloth, a t-shirt, socks, a dish towel, anything will work. Even clothes. Something that you can grab and twirl around. Ready? Let's wave our scarves up high and let's wave them down low. Let's wave them in the middle. Let's throw them up high in the air. Let's put them over our heads. Hello, friends. And let's sing. We wave our scarves together. We wave our scarves together. We wave our scarves together because it's fun to do. We wave them fast and we wave them slow. We wave them up high and we wave them down low. And we wave them in a circle. Yay! Now let's sing Popcorn Kernels. For this song, we want to put our scarves or whatever we're holding in a ball shape like this and hide our two hands. Where did it go? Let's shake them. Ready? Popcorn kernels, popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! Now let's sing Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. We're going to the moon. Ready? Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard the rocket ship. Zoom, zoom, zoom. We're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and blast off! Woo! Yay! Now let's sing Row, Row, Row Your Boat. It goes like this. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yay! For our last song, can we sing? I'm trying to think of what I want to sing. Let's sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Ready? Let's wave our scarves again. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! Let's wave our scarves up high. And let's wave them down low. Let's wave them in the middle. And then let's say bye-bye to our scarves. And let's put them away. Now it's time for our last story. Smick by Doreen Cronin, illustrated by Juana Medina. This is a white furry friend named Smick. Smick. Do we see a stick and a chick? Do those words rhyme? Smick. Hi, friends. Sit, Smick. Smick is sitting. Good, Smick. Stick. Stick and Smick rhyme. Go, Smick, go! Go chase the stick. Good, Smick. Yay. Smick got the stick. Cluck. Who can that be? Chick. Is Chick there? No, Smick, no. Smick wants to try to get Chick. Uh-oh. And Chick and Smick rhyme. Smick, Chick, Chick, Smick. How do we spell it? S-M-I-C-K? C-H-I-C-K. So they rhyme because they end in I-C-K. Ick. Oh, Smick. Oh, good, Smick. Stick. So does stick also end in I-C-K? Yes. Let's spell it. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. Smick, chick. Slow, Smick, slow. We don't want him to go fast, we want him to go slow. Side kick, side chick. So kick, K-I-C-K. It also ends in I-C-K. Side lick, ick. Lick, L-I-C-K. And then ick, I-C-K. They rhyme. The end. Now Smick and Chick are sleeping. That was Smick by Doreen Cronin, illustrated by Juana Medina. All right, friends, it has come to the end of story time. Thank you for watching, and let's sing a goodbye song. Let's get out our hands. We're going to open and shut them. Ready? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Place them in your lap, lap, lap. Now let's wave them. Wave them, wave them, wave them, wave them. High up in the sky, sky, sky. Wave to me, and I'll wave to you. And let's all say bye, bye.